What's up? Good morning. Happy 4th, everyone. Hope everybody has some great plans for the day. I'm waiting for this rain to stop outside so we can go outside and start relaxing. But I want to talk about the red that we're seeing in the market this morning. This has got some people a little bit squirrely, some people complaining. And guys, this is structurally what we should be doing here. And I want to show this to you guys, but I also do want to talk about how we ended this work week with a bang. We actually have something big coming later today. Could this in fact be the kickoff for some pretty significant rallies ahead? We're going to talk about all that and more in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So ADA right now, time to film this video, it's about 6:10 a.m. Central Standard Time, and you guys can see that ADA is sitting around 58 cents after running to a high. Gosh, what was it? 61.19 yesterday. So that was a nice run, nice breach of our 20-day moving average. We have obviously seen some profit taking, some selling. We've come down below that, and really, obviously, BTC is helping us do this. BTC dropping all the way back down to 109 after breaching 110 yesterday. Nice, exciting move for the day. But we kind of fell back into reality, right? We had long leverage chasing price. We basically had a big leverage cliff face, if you guys will. You guys can see right here on the ADA chart, tons of leverage filled in below those prices. And of course, overnight, we got some liquidations to take place. Now, that being said, a great sign here is a lot of that short leverage, once again, filling in. We're kind of playing this seesaw game, this chopping. Not really a surprising thing. Now, something that caused a little bit of a stir in the market here is actually that we had this OG wall, this 14-year dormant address that had 10,000 BTC worth $1.09 billion. They actually moved this BTC for the first time in 14 years. This is actually a cost basis of $7,800. Would love to have that, right? But obviously that caused a little bit of uneasiness. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Are they dumping this? Is this going to impact the markets? And one thing I have to say is, guys, we had this exact same thing happen last year around this time. If you guys remember, the German government dumping over $2 billion worth of BTC made very little impact in price. The only impact that we really got was from retail reactions. We had some liquidations. We had Mt. Gox news at the same time, which obviously caused us to have an ugly July 4th last year. That's not happening right now. Maybe people wake up and freak out with U.S. money today, but we'll have to watch and wait and see what happens. But guys, it's kind of a nothing burger for the day, especially when you have huge buying going on by institutional players. In fact, just look at yesterday alone. We had a big day, $601 million worth of BTC accumulated by institutional players. It's actually the largest day we have seen since May 21st. It's a pretty big sign, pretty big confirmation. BlackRock buying again, go figure. And even on the Ethereum side, $148 million worth of BTC that we saw purchased there. That might be actually the second or fourth highest day of 2025 in general. So they have a very clear goal right now, and it's to accumulate as much as they can while prices are in fact cheap. Okay, obviously this isn't to guarantee your financial advice or anything like that, and you guys can obviously do whatever you want. But I will say that we do have something else coming today as well that will probably cause some volatility in the markets. Now, for those that missed it yesterday, the House did in fact pass the big beautiful bill as it sits, meaning that it is going to Donald Trump's desk to be signed into law, and that is actually taking place today. That is happening at 5 p.m., around 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we are probably going to see some volatility in the market as the day progresses. Maybe we get some dumping and profit taking as the day progresses. But I did want to point to this as well. This was actually a very good catch by Crypto Rover. The last time Trump introduced a massive spending bill, Bitcoin pumped about 38% in just 1 week. He's expected to sign the big beautiful bill into law tomorrow, which is today now, but that might be something to watch for. Could this in fact be another exciting thing where we see US-based crypto run? Is that where ADA could potentially see some positivity from this and start exploding? Maybe, maybe not. Just something to be aware of nonetheless. Now, anybody that's complaining about price, I want to remind you, I know we talked about this just yesterday, but guys, this retracement right here, not really surprising. If we take a look at Wyckoff accumulation model, guys, this was our pop. This is our test right here, a little bit of pop right here. We're looking at potentially coming down here, just retesting some of these levels from back here, kind of actually a about where we're at right now. It's not really a surprising thing. We can kind of be all over in this trend. It doesn't really matter right now. But I think we're setting up for some more confirmed moves, like I talked about in my video yesterday. Sometimes the market doesn't care. It just decides to send. Sometimes you get that pivot where there's so little to go around and there's enough excitement and positivity from retail that we just decide to go. So that's all I got for you guys in this one, but I appreciate it as always. Let me know your thoughts. What are your guys' plans for the 4th? Do you think that the market is going to have as much fun as we are? So appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Catch you in the next one. Take care.